Hey, Mr. Didi.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Aura.
How are you, Didi?
I am fine, thanks. And how are you?
I'm fine too, thanks.
By the way, what is your next school?
Maybe my school in senior high school one. And how about you?
Oh,
Where is
yeah.
your school?
My school is in Junior High School 1 2.
Wow. I hope we meet again tomorrow.
Yeah, I hope to.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hi.
how do you do?
How do you do?
What is your name?
My name is Aura. You can call me Aura. And what is your name?
My name Danti Maida, you can call me Danti.
Okay, Mrs. Danti. Today we are friends.
Of course.
And do you have friend in here?
No, I don't have friend in here.
Where were your school last year?
I was school in junior high school Bandung.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from in West Java.
Mm,
And how about you? Do you have friend in here?
yeah, I have friend in here.
That's right. Where are you from?
I'm from Inmaduras.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Dide. Mr. Dide. She is my friend.
Oh, what is her name?
My name is Danti, and what is your name?
My name is Dide. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I am fine, thanks.
Yes.
Thank you.
Where are you from in Madurisam like Mrs. Aura?
Yes, I'm from Maduras and Mrs. Aura.
Can you tell me about Maduris?
Of course, Mrs. Lanti. We will explore in Maduris after this class.
Maybe it's time the class, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Time to study.
Yes.
Where is our teacher, Mrs. Aura?
I don't know.
Maybe.
But,
Can you see, please?
Yes.
yes.
Aura, can please tell your friend that your teacher can attend today?
Oh, of course, ma'am. Thank you.
Anything to ask?
What time will our class go home, ma'am?
Can you tell me the correct time now?
Maybe it's 9:15.
Your class will be go home at 9:15.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, guys, you must be happy.
What happened?
Because our teacher doesn't teach today.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Yay.
Yay. And how about you, Mrs. Danti? Do you have brother?
Yeah, I have one brother.
Mrs. Danti, why you move in here?
Because my father moved to work in Maduris.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I really don't know. Where are you from?
I'm from in West Java.
Do how long do you live here?
I was in here 3 months ago.
Oh,
Do you live in here with your parents?
Yeah, I live in here with my parents and my sister and my brother.
Oh.
By the way, what time is it, guys?
Maybe it's time 10 o'clock.
I really don't know because my watch is slow.
Let's go home now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
let's go, guys.
Mrs. Aura. Yeah, who is that?
I'm Danti.
Yeah, what happened, Mrs. Danti?
Can we go to Dide's house together?
Of course, Mrs. Danti. Wait a minute. Let's go, Mrs. Danti.
Let's go.
Where is Dide's home? Near here, because he is my neighbor.
Okay.
Dide. Dide.
Yes, guys, sit down, please.
Thank you, Dide.
Yes, you are welcome. Tired, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm so tired.
And how about you?
Yeah, I'm so tired.
By the way, is there anyone in your house?
Oh yes, there is my parents.
Do you have cat?
Yes, I have. And how about you?
No, I don't like cat.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs
Why you like dog?
because dogs are so cute.
Oh. Guys, I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, me too.
By the way, Mrs. Danti, would you like to buy some drink?
Yeah, I want to buy a drink. Did do you also want to buy a drink?
Yes, me too.
Wait a minute, guys. I
Oh.
want to buy some drink.
Okay, Mrs.
Okay,
Danti.
Mrs. Danti.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Welcome.
Mrs. Aura,
Yeah, Mr. Didi.
what does your mother do now?
I don't know. Maybe my mom sleep now. And how about you? What does your brothers? What does your fathers do now?
Maybe my father work now.
Um.
Do you have bicycle in your home?
Yeah, I have one bicycle in my home.
Oh.
Hey guys, this is for you.
Okay, Mrs. Danti.
This is for you, Mrs. Aura. Thank you. This is for you, Didi.
Yeah, thank you, Mrs. Danti.
Welcome.
Let's do together, guys.
Okay, Mr. Didi. Thank you.
This is so good, yeah.
Yeah.
How about we talk about us?
Yes, good idea.
I have friend.
Yeah.
He very good about game,
Hmm?
but in school, he is not smart. You know?
No, I don't know. Are you
Who's your
sure?
Mr. Dano?
friends now?
Oh, Mr. Dano. Yes, yes, I know, I know.
Mr. Dano.
Yeah. Some like my friend. She is very good playing game, but she can read book.
I have brother. He's very lazy and never studies.
Are you sure?
Yes, he always run when asked to studies.
It's funny for me.
Yeah.
Mrs. Danti,
Yes,
what does your brother do now?
I will don't know. Maybe my brother sleep now.
And how about you, Mrs. Aura?
Yeah. Maybe my brother sleep now. By the way, guys, I want to go home.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's okay. If you want to go.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi. Mrs. Danti.
Danti, Assalamualaikum.
Hi guys, sit
Hi.
down please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Danti.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Mrs. Danti, I wrote something for you.
Wow, what is this?
This is rengginang. Do you know rengginang?
No, I don't know this food.
Yeah. This is specialty Miduri's food.
Can you tell me about rengginang?
Of course, rengginang made from rice and large fish.
Can I eat?
Yeah, this is for you. Give Didi too.
Jangan dilihat.
Thank you, Mrs. Aura.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, this is so very good, right?
Yeah,
So very crunchy.
of course.
I like rengginang.
I like to.
And what is your favorite food?
I like chicken.
And how about you?
I like noodle. And how about you, Mr. Didi? Do you like noodle?
Yeah, I like noodle too.
Hmm.
What drink do you like?
I like chocolate.
And how about you, Mrs. Santi?
Yeah, I like chocolate too.
Maybe after this, I want to see bulls.
Ah, yeah. Do you ever see bull race, Mr. Santi?
What is bull race?
Bull race is traditional in Madures.
Can you tell me about bull race?
Of course. Bull race is a co-racing competition held of August or September.
Wow, so very unique, right?
Yes, alright.
I want to see bull race.
Oh, of course, Mr. Danti. We will see bull race together.
After this.
Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Nice to be your friends.
Oh, yeah, me too. Santi, maybe it's time to go for to see bulls.
Yes.
Let's go, Mrs. Zora.
Okay, okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. Thank you, Mrs. Tanti.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.